Hi all, welcome back. Assume we have the same 8 records and we want to retrieve some data. Say we want to retrieve those records who have age value 20, 21, 22 till 24. So we want to retrieve all the records, the age between 20 to 24. We could use age with the OR condition, or you could use in operator also, but this time I'm going to use between because this value are continuous. So we could use between operator between one value to next value. So the syntax is where age between first value say 20 and second value 24, and if you execute you will get all the records between age value 20 to 24, and make sure that this include 20 and 24. So if you are using, or if you want to get the data from 21, you could use 21. So this will exclude 20. So if you add between or 20 in the between, it will include 20 also. So this is very useful if the data is continuous. So if you want to retrieve some data between some range, you could use between operator, and this will be very useful if you are retrieving continuous data or continuous numerical data or date also. If you have some date range and you want to retrieve the data between the date range, you could use between operator. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.